back at it again with another video. I'm hipping y'all to a food review. This is MONTY'S Good Burger, 100% plant-based. Oh shoot, that's so cool. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Y'all ready to get into this bag? Oh wait, okay, come on. Seal for safety. Seal for safety. Okay. All right, y'all didn't have to seal it that much though. Okay, all right. Go ahead and get into the bag, cameraman. Get into the bag, get into the bag. But the bag is. Okay, all right, so I ordered what we have here called the single. All right, and because, oh wait, hold on. Okay, I just want y'all to see it. I just want you to love MONTY'S. So I don't believe in pickles on hamburgers, so I had to say no, thank you. You know how we decided something is good here on SistaGirlTuesday if it gets a poppin'. So let's get into it. Hold on. Dear God, thank you for this food. Let it be good to my body. Amen. All right. And okay. All right. Okay, so let me go ahead and whip it down to the brown gravy for you one time for the one time. The burger is stacked correctly, appropriately. Like, you know, sometimes you get that beefy tomato where somebody literally cut a whole third and put it in there instead of a slice. But they gave you a whole fried green tomato. No, this is perfect. Now, vegan cheese is a journey all on its own. First of all, y'all seeing the melt? It tastes like melted cheese. And the patty. You know how sometimes you get a burger and it's like this thick. You're like, what is this? Done right. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy this and come back to tell you about these fries and sauces. You know a girl loves sauces. So right now, I'm going to give the burger poppin'. So good to make you lose your voice. You hear that, y'all? All right. Okay, stay tuned to see the fries. I'm gonna start with the house. It's giving me fry sauce with maybe a little bit more sugar, but not like too much. I don't know. It's good. All right. This is the aioli that is just spraying everywhere. All right. Oh, I'm smelling the spice. Very aromatic, you guys. Very. Okay. It's giving me just mayo with the real sriracha, not the off-brand. Okay, let's see what this vegan ranch talking about, because y'all know I make a good vegan ranch. If you ain't had it, you can look that video up. I'm gonna go ahead and drop a link. All right. Okay, I just want to say, house ranch always hit different than, like, you know, store-bought. Hold on. I don't know if it's quite giving me ranch. It's definitely giving me garlic aioli. But that's cute. All right, for the heat. The cashier said that this one's really spicy. So let's see what they're talking about. I just know I'm gonna have a stomachache eating all these sauces. It's weird, like I can't taste what the body of the sauce is made from. The heat profile is definitely there. You smell it before you taste it, and it's kind of lingering. It hits you in the, it's an aftertaste. And the aftertaste is hot. That's what it is. So it's a California day, and it's definitely warm in this car because there's no indoor seating or outdoor seating. So very aromatic. You can smell the coffee as soon as you pop the lid off this joint. Let's see what we're talking about. Trying to figure out what plant-based milk this is made from. I can't tell, but I know it's good though. Overall, I'm gonna have to give Monty's. It definitely gets the poppin' from SistaGirlTuesday. Poppin'! So if y'all are in the area, be sure to check it out. I'm gonna get back to enjoying my food. Thanks so much for watching. You already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.